Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw Bob Bilby from the show Bluey. I'm going to use the colors that match Bob, but you can use pencil if you like or markers as well. Alright, I'm going to use this purple marker to begin, and I'm going to go down and make a little curved line. This is for the bottom of Bob. Since he's a puppet, then I'm going to make another purple line going the same direction and a little curved. Next, I'm going to grab a peach-like color to close up these two lines. Connecting that line. Next, let's grab that purple marker again and make Bob's arms. So I'm going to go from the middle right here, go down and connect it inward to the body. Let's get that other arm going down and right into the body. Next, I'm going to grab that cream color and make a curved line for Bob's hands. There we go. Hold on to that marker because now we're going to draw a line going downward in the middle, and that's going to be Bob's belly. Let's grab that purple marker again, and next we're going to draw Bob's head, which has this kind of N shape. So I'm going to start from the middle here, but I'm going to leave some space for his nose. So I'm going to go up, around, connect that line to his body, and I'm going to stop right there. Next, I'm going to grab a pink color so I can make Bob's nose. I'm going to make an oval shape. Start with the bottom, meet in the middle. Let's make a nice curved line on top. And there we go. I'm going to grab that purple marker and I'm going to start making Bob's ears, but we're only going to go halfway up. And a nice diagonal line right there. And this is the other line for Bob's ears. And I'm going to make another one right here. And another connecting there. I'm going to run really quick and get a pink marker to finish up the rest of Bob's ears. So the shape is an N shape. Going up, around, and down. Up, around, and down. We're going to do it one more time. Up, around, and down. Awesome! Bob is already looking so cute. Let's finish Bob's ears. So I'm going to grab a lighter pink for the inside of his ear and make a U. So have that line go up and connect it right there where my pink begins on the outside of his ear, and up and connect. Next, I'm going to grab a black marker so that we can get Bob's eyes. So Bob's eyes have more of an oval shape. Go around there, and I'm going to make another oval shape for his other eye. And then in the inside, we're going to make a thin oval and another thin oval. I'm going to quickly color this in black. While I do that, did you know that Bluey takes place in Brisbane, Australia? And I only know that because my good friend is from Brisbane. Hi, Melissa. Guess what? We're all done drawing Bob and now we're ready to color. I hope you enjoyed drawing Bob today, and I really hope that you can send me a photo of Bob somewhere you like to be, like Bingo does. I can't wait to see your creations. Okay, I'll stop talking. Let's get coloring! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.